your decision? And
What this is about the checks and balances in our constitutional system. When the government argued that the president had discretion, there's no absolute discretion in our constitutional system. The best example, the President of the United States cannot today declare war because the Constitution says that Congress has to declare war.
The example that continues to come up is 9/11. Why would someone in Arizona have needed to hear what was going on in New York City on 9/11? It would just cause alarm and concern. One of my personal concerns is that of the 200 million people receiving this test alert today, how many of them are children? Fourth graders, fifth graders, sixth graders, having phones, prepubescent, already in a compromised and vulnerable state of maturity, receiving potentially harmful, alarming, and traumatic information that may or may not be accurate. People have asked me, would I have been as passionate about this if Barack Obama were in office or another president? Yes, I would be concerned, but we do have to acknowledge the fact that even last night, we have a president who was making fun of Dr. Ford's testimony and sending out text messages very recently that, the numbers of people who passed away in the hurricane in Puerto Rico were incorrect. This is not the traditional way a commander-in-chief addresses a nation. While we are disappointed that the temporary injunction and restraining order were not granted today, we will be returning as per advice from the judge, who was fair, balanced, and also concerned about the constitutional implications with this presidential text alert.